Hello dear friends and welcome back once again to another video. Today we are going to draw Rubble from Paw Patrol. Okay, so I am going to draw directly using a pen because this is a rather simple subject to draw. So we are going to start with his cap. For that we will draw a line like this to start with. Okay, then and the Paw Patrol logo. The helmet. Okay, that is done. Now we will do the face. This is a bulldog actually, so it has very chubby cheeks. The dropping ears on the side. Okay. Now the nose and the mouth, and he is giving a huge smile. Okay, we will complete the eyes in the end, so let's do the body first. That's his collar. And again you have his logo here. Just need to draw it roughly. Don't go into the details of that. And since he is a bulldog, his forelegs are bending towards his body. right? Similarly on this side, okay, and this is his body. You can see his small tail over here, and his hind leg is going to come here. Okay, you can see the other hind leg here too. Okay, now we will draw his eyes. They are big and round. Right, now we are going to color it. The drawing is done, so we could start with yellow because his helmet is yellow in color, so we're going to start with yellow there, leaving the icon on his helmet. We could color it completely with yellow. Okay, and then his chest guard, I suppose. So yellow is done. Now we need brown for his body. black for his nose, and I'm just going to shade the inside of the patch that is on his cap. Right? Okay, now you can brown Okay, I'm going to use brown to just shade the border. And I'm going to use the same brown to color this area, which is dark brown in color. So I'm using a bold marker pen. Right, and now red inside his mouth. Okay, I'm going to use silver to just give a bit of a shading to the white areas so that it doesn't look monotonous. Okay, now just pause. Right. just want to brighten the white area because I had made it too thin, so not visible, so just making it a little more white so that the white area is more visible. Okay, right, so I think we have done almost everything. Yeah, one more small area to be done is brown here, that's all, right? Right, so we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and doing it with me. Thanks for watching. I'll come with another video tomorrow. Until then, thank you. Bye. Take care.